There are three pillars of photography. They include shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the red button. Thank you. Shutter speed. Shutter speed is a measurement of the time the shutter is open, shown in seconds or fractions of a second. 1 second, half second, a quarter second, 1/250 seconds, 1/500 seconds, etc. The faster the shutter speed, the shorter the time the image sensor is exposed to light. The slower the shutter speed, the longer the time the image sensor is exposed to light. If you are photographing a subject that is in motion, you will get different effects of different shutter speeds. Fast shutter speed will freeze motion, while slow shutter speed introduce blur from two sources. That is camera movement or camera shake. In other words, the faster the shutter speed, the easier it is to photograph the subject without a blur and freeze motion, and the smaller the effects of camera shake. In contrast, slower shutter speeds are suited to suggesting the motion, such as that of flowing water or other moving subjects. Changing the shutter speed gives you control over whether to freeze or suggest motion. Let's look at fast shutter speed. In the photograph taken at a fast shutter speed, the subject is frozen. This is due to the fact that only a brief instant of the subject motion was recorded because the shutter was only open for a short time. In a slow shutter speed, a blur caused by subject motion in the photograph taken at a slow shutter speed, the subject is blurred. This is due to the fact that the subject moved while the shutter was open. Let's focus on shutter speed values. Choosing a shutter speed one step faster than the current shutter speed by, for example, changing shutter speed from 1/60 seconds to 1/125 seconds is referred to as increasing shutter speed by one step, and halves the amount of time the shutter is open. Choosing a shutter speed from 1/125 seconds to 1/60 seconds is referred to as slowing shutter speed by one step, and doubles the amount of time the shutter is open. Some models also support increments of 1 step and a half step. Speeds faster than 1 second are shown as fractions. For example, 1/125, 1/160, 1/200, and 1/250. Some cameras may omit the numerators so that 1/25 becomes 125, 1/250 becomes 250, etc. Speeds slower than 1 second are shown by a double prime symbol following the value, that is e.g. 1. Did you like our topic today on photography? Kindly subscribe and share. Is there a topic you would like us to discuss on photography here at Flojo TV? Do let us know in our comment section. Thank you.